Hello, my sweet friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, come on in. We do a lot of crafts on this channel, and today I'm going to be doing another Valentine's wreath. I know. But it's that season. It's that time of year. I'm going to show you what I'm working with here. I got 2 hearts from the Dollar Tree, roses from the Dollar Tree, some leftover greenery that I have, also the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use a grapevine wreath. So let's get started. I want to do kind of like a floating hearts. So I have this skewer that I'm going to use. I'm just going to measure it and cut it down and put some glue on it and attach it that way. By cutting it out. We drill a hole. Yes, that'll work. Right there. Just kind of pre-cutting a hole. Now I want them to line up. I'm going to use 2 of the bamboo skewers. Got that done. Now I'm going to add glue to these and put them in the holes. One in. Put that down in there. I hope y'all can hear me. I know I'm not that loud. All right, those are in there. So now I'm going to add some glue to these and poke them through the holes here. All right, I'm just going to hold that there for a minute till it dries. See, I like that. But I think I want to let it set up and really dry first. So I'm going to put this off to the side and work on my bow. I'm going to do a few layers here. Let's do 22-inch strips. This kind of bow is really good if you have some leftover ribbons that you need to use up, but you're not sure what to do with it. Go ahead and dovetail them. If you're intimidated by making bows, don't be. You just need to start and you need to practice. All right, so now we're going to make a loop. It's about a 5-inch loop. Place that one down. I'm going to do the same. I want 22-inch strips. Start with 3. So this is a 2.5 wired ribbon. This is a 1.5-inch wired ribbon, and they're both from the Dollar Tree. To make a dovetail or a fishtail, whatever you want to call it, you just fold the ribbon on itself and you cut up at a slant towards the wire. Okay, so we have the first loop in. Now we're going to make another loop, and we're just going to stack it. That's going to be a tail, I think. Yeah, use that one as a tail because it was rather short. Another loop on the other side. Another loop on this side. One more on this side. And there's my bow. I think that's good enough. We're going to go in with a zip tie. So I have my zip tie here ready to go. And I want to make sure that I am underneath all of these loops and tails on the side. And I'm just going to start the zip tie. I'm not going to crank it all the way down. I just want to get it started and use the zip tie to pull it out of the Easy Bow Maker. So here I got it started. Now I'm going to pull the zip tie to the back. And I want to add a pipe cleaner. If I add a pipe cleaner now, I have a way of attaching it to my grapevine. Now I'm going to zip tie it all the way. I'm going to use the pipe cleaners as kind of like a handle so that I can fluff my bow. So I'm going to bend those down and start spreading out my loops and my tails. I want to make sure that I have them exactly the way I want them. Glue some up. Go. That looks good. I'm gonna bring back the grapevine. Now I have to find a way to get my bow. I want it down here and I want my hearts up here. So I need to find a way to get this bow into the grapevine. And what I like to do is use a weaving needle. I actually got this tip from Crafting with Hardworking Mom, Lori. I don't know if y'all watch her or not, but she's great. She's kind of my mentor. I don't know if she knows that or not. So I'm going to use my weaving needle to get through this grapevine. So I'm just going to find a spot and find a spot. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want to go around the grapevine where somebody can see it. I want it to look seamless. So I'm pulling it to the back. And we're going through the grapevine. So there we go. See? Just pull it through. Twist tie it off. Cut off the excess. Garbage. And you tuck it back in. All right, so for my hearts, I think I want to attach them here, here, and here. So I'm gonna kind of mark on the back where I want them. So I know I want one right here, right? One right here. One right there. I'm gonna use pipe cleaners to secure this to my grapevine and a lot of glue with some ribbon. Generous amount of glue. Down you go. And ribbon. All right, now I'm gonna let that dry. Now, what I want to do here with this bow is I want to put some greenery in this bow. There is no rhyme or reason. I just had these leftover floral pieces or greenery, and I'm just cutting them up and placing them where I see fit. I'm trying to make it look like the greenery is coming out of the bow, like it's all incorporated into the bow. I have these roses I'm going to add. So a generous amount of glue. I leave the stem kind of long. Just going to go in at an angle. Again, get out my weaving needles, because I don't want it to go around the grapevine, I want it to go through. See how it came through the grapevine? It's not going around it. That's what I wanted. Friends, if you have any questions or comments, you can feel free to leave them in the comment section. I found out recently, apparently my family watches all my videos, but I wouldn't know because they don't comment. Yeah. This is what I have. I think I want to do something with that. Okay. Here we go. Generous amount of glue. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. I'm going to put this on the door so you can see what it looks like. Friends, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.